Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 8. First, make sure your new band is fully charged. This usually takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours for a complete charge. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and keep your Huawei Band 8 close to your phone, ideally within 1 meter, to ensure a smooth connection. Now let's pair your band. Open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. From the main screen, tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Then select Add Device and choose Smart Bands from the list. You'll then see Huawei Band 8 as an option. Tap on it. Your phone will search for the band. Once found, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the band screen. Confirm on both to complete the pairing. Sometimes you might encounter connection issues. Don't worry, these are often easy to fix. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 8. A simple reboot can resolve many temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, go into your phone's app settings, find the Huawei Health app, and clear its cache. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall the app. Always ensure both the app and your band's firmware are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. Once connected, you can fully enjoy your Huawei Band 8. Dive into the Huawei Health app to customize your watch faces, choosing from hundreds of options, and set up your preferred notification alerts. Explore the comprehensive health monitoring features, including continuous heart rate tracking and detailed sleep analysis. Remember to regularly sync your band's data with the app to keep a consistent record of your fitness journey and health insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.